Hello everyone, you are on the phone support channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like to support it. And also, write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or asking questions. Thank you. In this video, I will show and tell you how to download the profile picture of any Instagram account. There is a great way to do this, which I am about to tell you about. To do this, you copy the link to the account you want. After that, go to any browser. And here you need to find a website called savefree.com. You find that site and open it up. Now you need to paste the account link that you copied. And you click on the button, View. You wait for a couple seconds, and then you go down to the bottom and click on the Download button. Now we get a little bit of advertising, and our picture appears. Download it, skip all the ads, and download. Now we can save this photo to the gallery. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also see other useful videos on the channel. You have been on the phone support channel. See you soon. Watch other videos on this channel.